The Bird and the Giraffe. Once upon a time, there was a giraffe and a bird. "Hello," said the giraffe. "Hello," said the bird. "Do you want to play?" "Oh, yes." The giraffe counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's time to look for the bird. Where is the bird? Here? Behind the curtains? Oh, what is this animal? Hello, are you the bird? No, no, no. We are ladybirds. Where is the bird? Oh, wow! Oh, are you the bird? No, 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 we are monkeys. Look, we are monkeys. Oh, where is the bird? Are you the bird? No, 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 we are snakes. Oh, wow! Are you the bird? No, no, no. We are spiders. Look. Psst, psst, psst. Oh, are you the bird? No, I'm the lion. Rawr. Are you the bird? No, no, no. We are butterflies. Where is the bird? Where is the bird? Oh, you are here on top of my head. I found you. Come on, let's play again.